Jenny and Jane always dreamt of being singers. They sang at every opportunity and became well known in their local area. They almost split up after an argument, but they stuck together and even appeared on national TV. What has just happened? Jenny and Jane have always dreamt of being singers. They have sung at every opportunity and have become well known in their local area. They have almost split up after an argument, but they have stuck together and they have even appeared on national TV. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned some irregular verbs today, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.